Hello there, welcome back to Weather Updates. Right now we have a slight risk of severe weather across portions of Nebraska, Iowa, and Missouri. We have a tornado watch across portions of Nebraska as well. The main hazards going to this evening and tonight is a couple tornadoes, isolated significant damaging wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour, isolated very large hail up to 2 inches in diameter. And that's really it. So right now, going across portions, we have an outflow boundary located right there. Along that, we're seeing a couple of cells develop around tier supercells. They continue to develop right here. We have a severe thunderstorm warning just south of Dunning, and 6 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail is possible. And near Huntsville, we have a severe thunderstorm warning as well associated with this cluster. And 6 mile per hour wind gusts is possible. So that's really it for looking at severe thunderstorm warnings. And we have marginal risk across portions of Virginia and North Carolina. Going to tomorrow, we have another marginal risk across portions of Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Kentucky, Tennessee, Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Iowa. Small portions across portions and Iowa, and Minnesota. Day 3, we have again another marginal risk across portions of North Carolina, South Carolina, and Virginia, maybe even southern Maryland. So, and day 4 through 8, nothing is really expected at this time. So anyways, going to the right into the let's go into environmental conditions. And right now, looking at instability values, Mixler Cape, we're seeing instability values between 2,000, maybe even 4,500 joules per kilogram. Pretty extreme amounts. They're definitely supporting some damaging wind gusts. And also across portions of Iowa, Nebraska, we're seeing some shear values. Effective bulk shear values around 40 to even 50 knots. Which again is going to be, with 0 to 3 kilometer shear, it's going to be probably around 25 to maybe even 35 knots. Low lapse rates, not really much. In the mid-levels, also not really much. However, though, low levels, when you get into Nebraska, southern Nebraska anyways, and we could be seeing lapse rates around 7 to maybe even 8 degrees Celsius per kilometer. And the storm relative velocity values for 200 even 400 meters cubed per second cubed across portions of northern Iowa and Nebraska. It seems as it's more displaced away from the strongest of the instability and really strongest of the bulk shear too. So that's going to be definitely an issue as we're going to get some tornadoes to develop. Looking at 0 to 3 kilometer Mixler Cape and surface vorticity. So right now we're seeing low level instability values are around 50, maybe even 200 joules per kilogram with vorticity values across portions. Vorticity values between 1 and 4, and yeah, we could be seeing again another tornado or two across portions of southern Iowa. Seems to be the main threats right now. However, though, it's a 5% in place across portions of Nebraska. Day 4, and also other probabilistics include 50% hail, 15% wind as well. So we're going to continue to track all this. We're going to take a look at velocity actually of these cells. Not really much. Yeah, nothing really much there. So I'm going to continue to track all this, but really, apart from that, that's really it.